What's up guys, it's Michael here. So just as the title says, I got in an accident about 2 months ago. I wasn't sure I was going to post it or not. And there was no audio on my vehicle because Tesla has a Tesla cam, but it doesn't provide with audio sadly. If it provided audio, I probably had to. Probably had to mute it because I was pretty angry. But just to keep it short and keep this video short, so what happened is it was not my fault, first of all. And second of all, as people who heard about Teslas, it's a pain in the butt to get the vehicle repaired. In my case, from the time of recording this video, another 2 weeks. I actually waited 2 months already with no loaner, so I got to get a spare vehicle for my family. So what happened is I was in a T intersection right here. So I was coming down from the main road. And when I hit the stop sign, as shown in the video pretty soon I'm going to play, there's a lady coming from my right hand side. This Audi Q5. So right here, I was fully stopped, waiting for her. She comes, and she's on a narrow road. That narrow road is enough for one car to pass. So cars have to slide by each other. So either one goes and the other one waits on the side, then the other one can go around. But in my case, I was sitting there waiting for her, trying to make a left. And she comes, and it's like she makes a left, but she reached up before me. So I was like, okay, it's her turn. So I literally sat there and waited on the stop sign. She turns left, and she turns left right into me. And when that happened, I was literally in slow motion when I saw that happen. I honked, and if the Tesla camera recorded my voice, oh man, I was so mad. I literally, first time I ever screamed the F word so loud. And when she bumped me, it doesn't look that fast, but since her car is really heavy, and my car is really heavy too, she put a giant hole into my front bumper. And hopefully it didn't damage the crash bar, but when I talked with mechanics who are doing the repair in a body repair shop, they looked at it and said maybe bumper and front hood, and the headlights. Hopefully it's not the crash bar or any structural supports, because that will be a major headache, because I already waited 2 months and for recording this video 2 weeks, and hopefully get that back, get it done, repaired, and move on. But keep that in mind, people who own a Tesla, if you get an accident, repair times are very, very long, and it's very expensive to fix. And as for that person who hit me, and well, I didn't how to deal with insurance, because like some people I talk to say, why don't you get a lawyer? You gotta think about it. Since it's a financial channel, I have to mention lawyers are not free. Is it worth it for that price? In my case, it was not worth it. And so far, she's MIA, missing in action. Insurance company cannot contact her, so I have to pay $1,000 deductible until they can find her. So whatever, or done deal is done deal. But the funny part in this video is when I fully stopped, when I saw that happen, oh man, I slammed the honk. I just wanted to just go out. I was just so angry. It was the first time it ever happened. I got in a car accident. It's not my fault. And I was just so angry because this is my second car accident. First one was pretty bad. The second one right here, this one was just face palming. But I'm going to play the video, and also I'm gonna put up some pictures of the damages. I hope you guys like this short little clip. Please like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the video and the pictures.